How to watch HelloFresh cooking videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to watch HelloFresh cooking videos right from the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can simply browse through your upcoming recipes or search for the one that you are interested in. And there, once you have found it, you can simply tap on the recipes to open its detailed page, and there you'll see ingredients, cooking instructions, and nutritional information. But with that, if you scroll down until you see the cooking video section, so there you can just tap on play button to watch a step-by-step videos guide for that recipe, and there you can pause, rewind, or replay the video as you cook so you don't miss a step. And that's it. That's how you can easily watch HelloFresh cooking videos and cook with confidence. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.